Good morning. In the early morning, somewhat disturbed day when I, as usual, switch on motor to pump the water. That plug burned. Number one. Then I managed. I took bath. But suddenly, my junior Mr. Hariharan informed that his sister's son drowned in the sea. So thereafter, totally he was crying. That disturbed my mind. Therefore, I made some arrangement to see that his problem is now cleared by after all formalities. I made my efforts to do that, and the authorities promised for speedy disposal. Whatever it may be, this is part of a life. Okay. Then this case AR 2025 Calcutta 145. AR 2025 Calcutta 145. This judgment Deepak Mavandia versus Sri RS Project Private Limited. So the problem is if any dispute arises from the promoter and the builder arises, so there are certain regulations. That is called Real Estate Regulation and Development Act, Act 16 of 2016, which contemplates so many formalities for these real estate promoters should register their promotion with approved plan. So many things are there. There will be an adjudicating authority, then there will be an authority, then the tribunal, appellate authority, then appellate tribunal. Everything was there. If you want to understand it, is far better go through the entirety of judgment. This judgment deals with every provisions of the RERA Act and that what that provision says, including some few judgments were discussed. The ratio which guidelined this judgment was that civil court is totally worsted because the Real Estate Act worsted the powers of civil court. Section 9 of the City Civil Procedure Code says we have got an alternative way. Then only you can file. You cannot file civil suit. Therefore, we normally add a parastate that the plaintiff therefore have no other alternative than to file this suit. Common process. So they say the civil court entertaining the issues between the promoter and purchaser, the plot allotees. See, the interim injunction, everything is out of jurisdiction, and they say all the orders passed by the RERA adjudicating authority and appellate authority and tribunals could be executed by under CPC, that means Order 21. It can be executed. That is what this judgment says, division bench judgment. Kindly go through this judgment fully. The power of authority. Their authorities are there. Adjudicating authorities are there. Therefore, you can very well orders passed by appellate authority is executable as a degree. That is the ratio that they have stated. So many provisions were discussed, and Section 79 was also discussed, which prohibits the entertainment of civil suit between the issues of builders and allottees. I hope you understand. Best wishes.